HiyaHiya knitters. This week is just another quick product review of something new we've had in, which is our bamboo flyers. Now I'm sure you've seen our other videos, which I'll link top right of this video. We have our interchangeable, our steel and sharp, and now for people who like knitting in bamboo, we have these lovelies. Similar setup as our previous flyers, with the cable in the middle, the HiyaHiya joint just there. I find these warmer to the touch. They are resin injected for that extra strength and durability, so you're less prone to get splinters at the end after a while of knitting on them. Here's a little cuff I just started knitting before, just to show you how this works. I am using Kaiju, a brilliant little yarn from Dina's Home of Crafts. Just brilliant wintry yarn. Unlike conventional DPNs, rather than knitting across 3 and using a 4th needle to pick it up, you're knitting across 2 because it's got that flexibility, and knit onto the 3rd needle. There's a trick to keep it neat, if I get in order. You always want to have at least 1 stitch of the previous needle still on the tip, not on the cable, because it will get too tight and make it awkward later on. You just join them together like you would with DPNs. Do a couple of stitches. And at that point, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can, I've transferred all those stitches onto this cable. That keeps it nice and safe on that needle, so you've got no fear of it falling off, which some DPNs I find can do that, but these keep it nice and secure. I also find it easier because you're not fumbling about with 4, sometimes 5 needles, depending how big your project is. So yeah. At the moment it's a rather cold day, so these are nicer to knit with than sharp. Already nice and warm. Yarn sticks to them nicely, as you can see there. So yeah, that's our bamboo flyers. Like I said before, I'll do a link to our previous flyer video so you can see the full range. A link below to all our stockists and where you can purchase these from. And until next time, happy knitting!